Alright everybody, welcome back to another video here on MB Sports Cards. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video. It's not a particular box I'm doing, it's going to be a mixer pack opening. I have some basketball, some football, and some hockey packs. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alrighty, for this pack opening I have 3 packs of the 2020-2021 Series 1 Upper Deck Hockey, 1 pack of the 2020 Donruss Football, 10 cards per pack, an NBA Hoops premium stock, looking for the Ja Morant and Zion. Then we have a NBA Hoops pack as well, 8 cards per pack. Let's see what we can get. Alright, I think I'm going to start off with hockey packs and then do football and then basketball last. We're looking for the Young Guns here. That is Upper Deck's version of rookie cards. Let's see what we can get. We start off with Brock Besser, Victor Hedman, Alex Tuck, Bobby Ryan, Canvas Carey Price. Looks like that is Alex Stalock, the goalie from Minnesota. Kaylee Yamamoto. And we finish off with a Mitch Marner. Nothing too crazy in that pack. Let's move on to the next one. Let's see, we have a Jake Gensel, Alexander Ovechkin. That is Nikita Gusev. Next up, we have a Young Guns here, rookie card, Gustav Lindstrom of the Red Wings. Solid player. Nate Schmidt of the Golden Knights. Alex Goligoski. Zach Cashian. And JG Pacho of the Islanders. That's pretty good. We got a rookie card. I picked these cards up and these packs up at the local card shop. Didn't really want to do a box for this pack opening, so I figured I'd do some loose packs to mix it up. On to our 3rd pack of hockey, and we move on to football. So we have a Keith Yandle, Alec Martinez. What's this? We have an NHL Worldwide Alex Ovechkin card shaped in the Russian flag. It's not numbered or anything, but it's a pretty cool looking card actually. I haven't seen one of these yet in the pack openings that I've done. We finish off with David Riddick, Miles Wood. He's had a really solid start to the year for the Jersey Devils. And then we finish off hockey with Franz Nielsen. Alright, that does it for hockey. Let's move on to football. Alright, next up we have a 2020 Donruss football pack. 10 cards per pack. I believe this is the product that has the rated rookies. I'm definitely looking for big rookie. Tua, Joe Burrow. One of those guys. Somebody solid. Alright, we have an Emmanuel Sanders, George Kittle, David Montgomery, Cole Holcomb, Dwayne Haskins, recently departed from the Washington football team. Then we have, looks like a press-proof Khalil Mack out of the 75, 49 out of 75. That's a pretty cool card. And then we have a Legend Series, Troy Polamalu. It's not numbered or anything. Then we have Michael Thomas of the Saints. Devin Bush of the Steelers. Oh wow. Then we have a rated rookie, Justin Herbert. Wow, to finish off the pack, that's just from one pack at the LCS. That's crazy. Just leave that up for sure. And that's it for football. Let's move on to basketball. All right, we are down to our 2 last packs of basketball. We finish off football with a pretty nice hit there, right there in the background with Justin Herbert, rated rookie. It's in really good condition. Definitely probably gonna look into getting that graded for sure. So let's move on to these basketball packs. I'm going to save the premium stuff for last, and I'm going to do this one right here. Alright, let's see what we got. We have a Thon Maker, Taurean Prince of the Nets, Victor Oladipo, Pacers, Emmanuel Mudiay of the Jazz in his New York Knicks uniform, Kyle Lowry of the Raptors. Then we have a Pat Beverly, Clippers, Grant Williams of the Celtics, and then a Vince Carter of the Hawks in the red, white, and blue parallel, looks like. No rookie cards in that pack, though. Alright, we're on to our last pack here. Hopefully we get a decent pull in this one. Looking for the Ja Morant, looking for the Zion. Let's see what we get. We have Colin Sexton of the Cavaliers. He's been lining it up recently. Russell Westbrook, Nicholas Claxton, and it looks like a silver Kendrick Nunn rookie card. Pretty solid pack, all things considered. Let's leave these up. We're good to go. Alrighty, that is going to do for this pack opening. Here are the highlights from the hits from all the loose packs that I did. Starting off with hockey, the NHL Worldwide Alex Ovechkin, Young Guns Lindstrom, Gustav Lindstrom. On to football, we have the Press Proof 49 out of 75 Khalil Mack, Legend Series Troy Polamalu, rated rookie Justin Herbert. And then for basketball, we had Russell Westbrook in his Rockets uniform, Colin Sexton, Nicholas Claxton, and then Kendrick Nunn. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, want to see more mixer pack openings, leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below which packs you want me to open. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.